Hi, so this is another video, and the joy of doing your own thing is having the flexibility to do other things or try other things out, and that has really been my inspiration, being able to focus on doing something for myself because I don't always have to be doing this. I can try new things and the rest. Now, doing my own business has given me the chance to be able to try out other skills, so I'm actually not reluctant doing just one thing. I also like to try out new things and the rest. So sometime back last year, that was 2019, I got a chance to actually take a welding course. Now I've actually had a plan or ideas about working on container homes and the rest, like doing something with metals and the rest. So it was such a great opportunity to take up that tax or to be able to learn how to weld. So I actually have a video about that, which is my the DTI experience and the rest. So you can actually check it out using the card at the top of this video. So the main idea or the whole idea is that you try as much as possible to have different skills so that wherever you go, wherever you are, you're able to fit in irrespective of whatever you're expected to do. That is the idea. So I don't just do web related stuff. I do other things. I'm a very, very good DIY enthusiast. Like I try doing things by myself and the rest. And yes, it's been good. It has helped me so much over the years because there are times if I could pay someone to do, but I try to do them myself. So I end up buying a lot of tools, which makes it easier for me to go about this process. So you could also look at adopting some of these things, trying to do things for yourself, save money whenever you're running a business. You don't develop the habit of spending too much, and it is also important for you to separate company account from your personal account or expenses, because if you don't do that, you might end up just spending. You keep spending, you think you have money, you keep spending, and by the time you realize you're just spending into company's account. So these are some of the important things you have to try as much as possible to adopt to be able to do. Now, one important thing as part of the journey was how I was able to combine my working, because I also started schooling as well, taking up some courses as well as learning new skills. So what I did was that I ended up working a lot during the night in the evening, and that was because most of my clients, or most of the clients I work for, people who were in America, in Europe and the rest. So then, a time zone, time difference and the rest. So I spend a day probably doing school activities, or I spend a day doing templates and the rest, and then the night to have meetings to be able to, know what I'm supposed to do and the rest. And yes, of course you have to study for school and the rest. It hasn't been easy, but it's doable. Like it's something that you can do. So I ended up having a lot of time working, but short time resting. But I also there are times that I try as possible best to rest a lot, which is very important. So there are times that I don't do anything, I just have to rest. And then also one of the things that has also helped me so far, I should say, is attending tech events, not just tech events, but meetups and webinars and the rest, to be able to learn how to improve upon myself and the rest, as well as taking road trips to field trips to places to see nature and the rest. I'm actually a very big fan of nature, so there's this group called Photo Walk, which I've been with for some years now. We travel to different parts of the country to see places and the rest, and it's been fun. It's helped me so far to be able to get more ideas, get more inspiration to be able to come do more great things and awesome stuff and the rest. So I think that's what I have sharing in this particular video. So yes, like I'm saying, there are a series of videos that I'll be recording because I don't really have plan. I haven't planned anything. I just wanted to be as real as possible so that you just can relate to some of these things, because I'm not an extraordinary being doing any extraordinary thing over here. There are people doing amazing things, but I must say that I should also be proud of myself being able to get this far, because I must say I didn't start with anything. Like I didn't have anything starting. Like I didn't have any kind of capital, like this kind of money and the rest. I just the resources that I had, and then trying or leveraging on those resources to be able to start something, and that has actually made it possible for about 5 years, and I keep looking forward to the great future ahead. And of course, I'm not going to be doing this forever. I'm actually, so like I said, I'm learning to weld. I'm looking at doing something with that particular skill, which I've actually planned something around that. Not just the container homes. There are a couple of things you might be seeing some of them in the near future. And then also looking at probably start a farm yeah, not for commercial purpose. Maybe, who knows, I could be doing commercial, but these are some of the things that I look at doing. So of course, once you find yourself being an entrepreneur, you don't have to limit yourself to one thing. You have to diversify. Like, you have to try new things, you have to see how they are going to be, and you don't have to also be in your comfort zone, like within, let's say, IT, just IT. No, you have to try other things. And yes, so that has been me, and that is how things has been possible for me. So in every situation I find myself, I'm able to adapt, I'm able to learn, and I'm able to move on. So that's just about it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.